Okay, so we were talking about, the visuals, right? So you need to look at the diagram or whatever kind of visual is given on the piece of paper and read the instructions and then the image and try to follow it, right? Listen and complete the labels on the image, right? Wherever, there are labels, so you need to listen to you should say the audio and label the image as, the instructor uh, talks about it, the speaker talks about it, so you need to fill up the gaps, right? Given labels to choose, there are some given labels, so you need to choose those labels and answer in order, right? For example, ABC. So there is option A. For example, option A goes to uh, question number 17. Then there is option B. Option B, for example, goes to question number 20, right? So this is how you answer, right? Okay, let's see an example of this. So here we will be practicing the labeling part. So listen to the speaker describing a tennis center. This is a tennis center as per the instructions, and drag the words or phrases into the appropriate places on the map, right? So we have these maps, and this is the tennis center. So we need to drag down, uh, words from here to the appropriate places, right? So first you have around 30 seconds. Look at the map, look at the questions, right? Read the instructions and read each and everything, right? And then we will play the audio, okay? So your time starts now. Okay, so the time is up. Should I play the audio? Are you ready? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Now listen
Yes, sir.
carefully, okay?
Now I'd like to tell you about our coaching program. There are 3 levels of group classes: beginner, intermediate, advanced. Plus, there's the university team. If you're interested in joining one of our group classes, come along to our enrolment day on March 5th and we'll place you into the right level. Okay, now all the classes will start the following week. So before your first class, you'll need to find out which group you're in. Can you all see the map? It's on the notice board here. As soon as your coach has placed you in a group, he or she will post the groups and times here on the notice board. If you can't find your name, or if there are any other problems, just come into the reception desk and they can help you. The desk is actually inside the pro shop, at the back of the shop. When you've found your group, you'll also be told which court to go to. Now, as you can see on the map, there are 3 courts over near the football field and 4 behind the pro shop. Those who are just starting out, who haven't played before, are usually the biggest group, so they play over near the football field. The university team used to practice on those courts, but now they play off campus at the National Tennis Centre on the other side of town. That's where their coach is based. Now, if you're a great player, you could make it into our top group. So you'd be playing on the 2 courts closest to the river. And who knows, you might even make the university team. Okay, now, who have I left out? Oh yes, that's right. The intermediate players practice on the 2 courts closest to the pro shop. Anyway, if you're not sure where to go for your class, just ask at reception. Right. Well, that's about all I wanted to say. So I hope to see you soon here at the tennis center.
Okay, so what is the option for question number 17 for this one? G. Shazib, can you tell me?
Sarò da Uduma Grande.
Dear, it's not difficult. If you concentrate a little bit, it's very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
If you concentrate a little bit, it's very easy. You see, this is a map. Question number 17 is here, 18 is there, 19 is here, and 20 is here, right? So
Yes, sir.
practically you will be starting from this place, right?
Yes, sir.
Here you have a notice board and this place is called Pro Shop, right? So what's there
Yes,
in
sir.
the Pro Shop? What did the speaker say? Just have a guess about it. Ji, Atika, what's in the Pro Shop? Can you tell me?
Watch this.
What?
The reception desk.
Excellent. Yes, reception desk. You know, when the speaker was talking, he said that if you cannot find which group you belong to, you can just visit our reception desk, which is inside the shop, right? So inside the pro shop, we have what? We have a reception desk, right? Now, question number 18. Which group should go there? This field is just by the football field, right? This court is just by the football field. And what did he say?
University team.
No, the beginner group. The beginner group goes here, right? The advanced group plays just by the river. And then he says that the university group, it plays off campus. And the intermediate group, which was left, so he said that it plays just by, in the courts, just by the pro shop. I'll replay the audio so that you can understand what the speaker says, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, listen carefully, okay?
Now I'd like to tell you about our coaching program. There are 3 levels of group classes: beginner, intermediate, advanced. Plus, there's the university team. If you're interested in joining one of our group classes, come along to our enrolment day on March 5th, and we'll place you into the right level. Okay, now all the classes will start the following week. So before your first class, you'll need to find out which group you're in. Can you all see the map? It's on the notice board here. As soon as your coach has placed you in a group, he or she will post the groups and times here on the notice board. If you can't find your name, or if there are any other problems, just come into the reception desk and they can help you. The desk is actually inside the pro shop, at the back of the shop.
Have you found it?
Yes, sir.
Reception.
Yes. Now, move to question number 18. And listen what the speaker says.
When you've found your group, you'll also be told which court to go to. Now, as you can see on the map, there are 3 courts over near the football field and 4 behind the pro shop. Those who are just starting out, who haven't played before, are usually...
You see, he says those who are just starting out, who hasn't played before. So the ones who hasn't played before, they are actually the beginner group, right?
Beginner group, yes.
the biggest group. So they play over near the football field.
Or near the
The
football
university
field.
team used to practice on those courts, but now they play off campus.
You see, the university team used to play here, but now they are playing off campus. So which of the group will play here?
University.
Not university. It's it's the beginner group. This is the whole campus, right? University team is now playing outside. So the beginner group is playing here actually. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
At the National Tennis Centre on the other side of town. That's where their coach is based. Now, if you're a great player, you could make it into our top group. So you'd be playing on the two courts closest to the river. And who knows, you might even make the university team.
Right? If you are a top player, so you will play near, in the courts near the river, right? So
River.
these are the courts, these two courts. So in question number 19, which of the options is correct? Advanced group, because you are a top player, right? You're not a beginner, you're not intermediate, you're a top player. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, who have I left out? Oh, yes, that's right. Intermediate players practice on the two courts closest to the pro shop.
In the
Anyway, if you're not sure where to go,
two courts nearest to the pro shop. So these are the two courts which are nearest to the pro shop. So in question number 20, the intermediate group is the right option. Is it clear? So the thing is that you need to follow all the instructions given on the map, read them carefully, mark them, and then listen to the synonyms or listen to the paraphrase words and then follow and then answer. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's move ahead. Now, table completion. This is another type of question. So, how to do this task? Well, uh, actually, you need to again check the instructions that how many words can you write. Step 2 is read the table or the flow chart to find out what information is shown, right? As you can see here, what information is shown. Step 3 is look at the gaps and predict the type of word or words missing. Now, we have to do it. Write no more than 2 words and or a number for each answer. So we cannot write more than 2 words or a number, right? These are the instructions. If we are reading the table, so the first information is here, American summer camps. So this table is about the American summer camp, right? Now, we can also see the total number of camps. So we can expect a number here and question number 15, right? Then location of
Yes.
camp. So dash areas, we can expect name of a place, right? Words. Length of dash, right? So again, it is an activity, right? It is 9 to 11 weeks, so it should be some activity or something, right? So we can expect again a word. Is it clear? So we have a number, we have a word here, and we have a word here. So when you will be listening, you will be actually focusing the words or the numbers in each and every given blank. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move ahead and have a practice. Now, skills, money, number, and S, right? Listen to talk about tennis center and drag the word or phrases or numbers into the appropriate places in the table. There are more options than you need. So pay attention to your choice of words ending with in S, numbers, and how to write money, right? So this S should also be, kept in mind, okay? Sometimes you do not need certain words, right? And sometimes you do not need the plurals. So you should be careful. Okay, you have 30 seconds. Read the whole table, right? And then I will play the audio. So your time starts now. Okay, should I play the audio now? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's play.
Well, I'm sure you're all keen to start playing as soon as possible. So let me give you some information about how much it costs. First, if you and a friend would like to play a game, you'll need to hire a court. During the day, court hire costs $9.50 an hour for university students and staff. It's a little more expensive in the evening. After 5 p.m., the court hire goes up to $14. People from outside the university who want to book court pay a flat rate of $20. Oh, I should point out that those prices don't include rackets or balls, so you'll need to bring your own. Now I'd like to tell you about our coaching program. We have a range of coaching programs available to suit your needs. You can choose between individual and group coaching sessions. Individual coaching sessions cost $70 for an hour. Or if you're looking for something a little cheaper, you could join a group class, which is 1 hour per week for 5 weeks. The group coaching package costs $57.30, which is quite a bargain. Now, there are 3 levels of group classes: beginner, intermediate, advanced. Plus, there's the university team. If you're interested in joining one of our group classes, come along to our enrollment day on March the 5th, and we'll place you into the right level. When you come, don't forget to bring your tennis racket, some sunscreen, and water.
Okay, so what is the answer to question number 11? Yes, question number 11. Atika? Ji, can you tell me the answer to question number 11?
It's an 11 day.
Yes, during the day. Very good. Excellent. Right? Okay, what is the answer to question number 12?
$50.
No.
$14.
What? Okay, let me replay it for you people. Listen carefully, okay?
$20.
Yes. Okay, let's replay it, okay?
Well, I'm sure you're all keen to start playing as soon as possible. So let me give you some information about how much it costs. First, if you and a friend would like to play a game, you'll need to hire a court. During the day, court hire costs $9.50 an hour for university students and staff.
You see, he says during the day it costs $9.5 per hour, right? Are you getting? Shazeb, I'm asking you.
Right.
Okay, now listen carefully.
A little more expensive in the evening. After 5 p.m., the court hire goes up to $14.
You see, it goes up to $14 after 5 p.m., right? Now he will switch to general public, okay?
People from outside the university who want to book court pay a flat rate of $20. Well, I'm sure you're all keen to start playing.
So what's the price? $20, right?
$20.
Yes,
Yes.
that's the correct option. Excuse me.
As soon as possible. A little more expensive in the evening. After 5 p.m., the court hire goes up to $14. People from outside the university who want to book a court pay a flat rate of $20. Oh, I should point out that those prices don't include rackets or balls, so you'll need to bring your own. Now, I'd like to tell you about our coaching program. We have a range of coaching programs available to suit your needs. You can choose between individual and group coaching sessions. Individual coaching sessions cost $70 for an hour.
Okay, Shazeb, how many dollars? Huh?
$70.
Yes, very good, excellent.
Or if you're looking for something a little cheaper, you could join a group class, which is 1 hour per week for 5 weeks. The group coaching package costs $57.30, which is quite a bargain. Now, there are 3 levels of group classes: beginner, intermediate, advanced. Plus, there's the university team. If you're interested in joining one of our group classes, come along to our enrollment day on March the 5th, and we'll place you into the right level. When you come, don't forget to bring your tennis racket, some sunscreen, and water.
Okay, so in 14, what should you bring? Your tennis what?
Racket.
Yes, tennis
Sunscreen powder.
tennis racket and what?
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Yes. So this is how you do it, okay?
Yes.
You see, when you focus a little bit, you will catch it. But the only thing is you people are not focusing, right? You people have actually lost your total focus, and this is why you are unable to catch the answers, right? Read the instruction,
Yes.
be a bit focused, right? And try to look for the, keywords and synonyms, right? And then it will be very
Yes.
easy for you. And slowly and gradually you will improve. In one day, do not, get disheartened that, oh, I'm getting all the answers wrong. Don't worry about it. In the beginning, it happens. But the more you practice, the more the better you get, right? So it's totally okay. Just try to be focused as much as you can, right?
Yes.
Shall we move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here is another type, right? We have table completion. So here's the practice, right? We have questions 11 to question number 17, right? Now, you have some time to read the instructions and the questions, and then I will play the audio. Read the instructions first, read the keywords here, right? Then also predict the things that you may expect here, and then we will try to, fill the gaps by listening to the audio, okay? So you have 30 seconds to read these questions. First, read questions 11 to 14. Okay, are you ready? Shall I play the audio?
Yes.
Okay.
You'll hear a talk given to a group of university students about working in America during their summer holidays. Listen to the speaker describe
Sir?
the working holiday program
Yes,
and
Ji dear. Atika, you want to say something?
Sir, I have network issue.
Okay.
Sir, the voice is unclear.
Yeah, the audio is unclear, a bit unclear, but it is the way it is, right? But let me replay it.
Then I think that and this is not understandable.
It is understandable if wear microphones, so it is understandable.
Okay, sir, I'll try.
Okay, I'm replaying it.
You'll hear a talk given to a group of university students about working in America during their summer holidays. Listen to the speaker describing a working holiday program and complete the tables. You now have 30 seconds to look at questions 11 to 14. Now listen.
Well, it's great to see so many of you here at tonight's information evening about the Student Working Holiday or SWH program. Annie Hamilton from SWH is here tonight to tell us all about the program, so let me pass over to her now. Annie?
Thanks, Josh. Well, I thought I'd start by talking about some of the eligibility requirements for this program, as I know some of you are concerned about that. Well, first, you need to be between the ages of 18 and 29. Sorry, we can't accept you if you're 17 or under, and we can't take anyone in their 30s. Second, you need to be a full-time university student. Can I just point out, if you've already graduated, then unfortunately you don't qualify. I'm sorry about that. And finally, you'll need to show proof of funds. That is, you have to show that you have between $400 and $800 in your bank account. Oh, and of course, I mustn't forget, it is pretty obvious, but I should point out that you'll need a valid passport. Now, can I just point out that those aren't our rules, they're the US government's. So you need to satisfy those requirements in order to get a working holiday visa.
Okay. So what is the answer to question number 11?
17.
Sir, 17 for first.
So
Yes, sir.
17.
17 for
Yes, sir. Type of
yes, sir.
student, full-time university students.
No.
Full-time.
The first answer is not
Sir,
17, 18,
18
yes.
to 29.
Yes, 18 to 29. She said that unfortunately we cannot take 17 and under.
Yes, sir.
So the age
18.
must be 18 to 29. And then she
Yes.
also said that we cannot take you if you are 30s, in your
Yes, sir.
30s.
Sir, 18 to 29.
Yes, you are right, Atika. The second option is, yes, Asya, you are right. It's full-time. You should be full-time student. Okay, Shazeb, what are the minimum funds required?
Sir, 400 to 800.
Not to 800. Forget about, you see, you haven't read it. Minimum. So the minimum is 400. Maximum is 800.
Yes,
You need to only
yes,
write only 400, not 800, okay?
yes, sir.
Okay. Then other. So you should also have valid what?
Passport.
You should have,
Port.
yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move ahead.
You'll hear a talk, but I should point out that you'll need a visa, so you need to satisfy those requirements in order to get a working holiday visa.
You now have 30 seconds to look at questions 15 to 17.
Okay, now we've got the official stuff out of the way, I want to tell you about one of our most popular student working holiday options. This program option is called Camp Counselors USA, and basically, you get to work at an American summer camp. Now, some of you might not know what a summer camp is, so let me just briefly give you some information about them. American summer camps are a real tradition in the US. They've been around about 150 years, and today there are over 12,000 summer camps which cater to 10 million children. So, where are these camps located? Well, they're often situated in rural parts of the country. Summer camps have plenty of facilities too. There are cabins and dining halls, of course, and for creative pursuits there are arts and crafts buildings. And then there are the swimming pools and playing fields. Everything you could possibly want, basically. The camp season usually lasts between 9 and 11 weeks, and the campers are usually aged from 6 to 16 years. Each camp has its own philosophy, organisation, and purpose, but I think they all share a common goal, and that is.
Okay, so what is the answer to question number 15?
So 10 million children.
No,
12,000 camps.
yes. Total number of camps is 12,000. 10 million children is already written here. We are talking about the total number of camps. So there is 12,000 summer camps. They are currently active in United States. Okay. Then, Shazeb, tell me about the location of camps.
Sir, ruler.
Yes, rural areas. Very good. Excellent. Ji, Atika, length of days. Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Ji, Shazeb.
sir, I think last 9 to 11 weeks.
No. Length of days. Last
9 to 16.
9 to 16 is already written, my dear. What is the blank? What comes in the blank? Asya.
I don't know.
Daga chal dekha na. You missed it. As predict what will be, the option. Just predict it. Try to predict. What are we talking about here? And this, what was the speaker talking about in this whole discussion? The whole discussion was
Summer
about,
camp.
yes. So
American.
Summer camp.
length of a summer camp.
Yeah.
You see, even if you predict, you can, guess the answer.
Sir,
Are you getting?
length up last.
Okay, let me replay it for you.
There are cabins and dining halls, of course, and for creative pursuits there are arts and crafts buildings. And then there are the swimming pools and playing fields. Everything you could possibly want, basically. The camp season usually lasts between 9 and 11 weeks, and the campers are usually aged from.
So what does it say? Length of?
Camp season.
Excellent. Yes, it is camp season, right? So that's all about it for today, I believe, right? If you have any questions, you may ask.
Sir, later I will watch the whole recording, then I will ask question if I didn't pick any point.
Sure. That's pretty fair. Not a problem.
Okay, sir.
What about the others? Atika and Shazeb,
Yes, sir.
do you have any
سر
questions?
موږ چې کله yes موږ دا کېبل خو په سمال کې کو نو یو امریکن سپیلینګ وی کنه یو برټش سپیلینګ نو دا
Okay, try to speak in English or either Urdu, okay? That's first thing.
okay
Second, you want to ask about how to spell the words, whether should we be capitalizing it or not, right? So the answer is that it
yes
depends
sir
on the type of questions that you get, right? Now,
yes sir
for example, if you have to write the name, so the first letter of the name must be capitalized. If you write it in smalls, it means that your answer is automatically wrong. Are you getting my point? Same is the
Yes, sir.
name of, let's say, the season, summer, winter, autumn, all of them must be capitalized. Same is the case with the names of days, let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So they must be capitalized, right? So this is the
Yes.
how you answer the question. And what else
Okay, sir.
were you asking? Is that it? Any other question?
So all the 4 sessions like writing, listening, reading,
Mhm.
every session lasts for 7 days.
What do you mean 7 days?
So our IELTS classes.
Okay. Yes, I got it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, for every module, yes, we will be, giving it 1 week. So 5 days a week. Tomorrow will be the last class about, listening, right? I'll be sharing practice material with you that you will be practicing, and if you have any questions, you can ask, right? Throughout the classes till the end of the session, right? Till the end of the month. But then
And
the next week, inshallah, we'll be, dealing with the reading part, right?
so if we have any questions after the whole classes,
You can always approach me. That's not a problem.
okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
you're welcome. So I guess that's all about it for today. And inshallah, we'll see you tomorrow, right? Till